How much you want longer? Enough! Robots! We're here for our range. Do we know you? I'm the one that you abandoned at that place. We who fight in the Autobots, we created you. Then at the end, Optimus squashed me like a bug. But these guys managed to bring me back in this Decepticon's body, called a Bone Crusher. Now we can get revenge! Where'd they go? You know, you really suck with that body. Don't make me kill you. No, fine. Get back here! You two, get rid of this wall. We need a breakthrough. Bone Crusher, huh? You're not Bone Crusher. Of course I'm not. You guys stay here on Victor's wall. You cannot help me fight them. You're just humans. I'm a human inside of a cyber shooting, so I'll be fine. You guys will not be fine. So go ahead and take care of the wall. I'll take care of them. What are you? You're an abomination. We knew how to fight more longer than you, so you can't take us down. That was easy. Obviously, he's a human instead of a robot, and we're just robots that have been fighting for so long, longer than him, before he was even alive. So obviously it would be more easier for us. Alright, let's take him to Lord Megatron. Soundwave, open up a space bridge portal. Yeah, take him with us. Come quickly. Guys, we need to go in there. Quickly before it closes and before they don't see us. Go. Keep going. Out of my way, guys. The Decepticon base. Boss. Excellent barricading, Starscream. You brought me right where your base is at. Perfect. And how is that gonna help you? With all the Decepticons in one area and just you? How that you're gonna win. What do we think about that one now? I guess my plan failed. You brought the human here. Excellent work barricading, Starscream. Shall we dissect him, Lord Megatron? No. I need a little chat with him first. He will feel the suffer. Shockwave, prepare the extraction. Or dissect, whatever you do after I'm done with him. Megatron! Well, he isn't one of those evil humans, the leader of them. That's just trying to hunt down the Saboteur demons for many. How long has it been? Months? Years? Doesn't matter. You can't take down the leader of the Decepticons. Yes, get him, Lord Megatron. Enough, Starscream. Get over here. No. by the way, I took down the Princess Master Chief. Soundwave, contact shockwave. It's time. Time for what? Is that a T-Rex? When do you guys get a T-Rex? Oops, was that me? Starscream. Oh, keep that T-Rex away from me. No, no, no! No, Megatron, please! No, no! We finally got revenge against you. Right, Soundwave. Yes, Lord Megatron. No, wait, You made it just on time. I just got finished. Do not worry. This will be a lot of pain. What is that? Oh, just my pet Mega Axe. No, what are you doing? What are you gonna do with that? Keep it away from me. No! Guys, I think the boss is dead now. What do we do? Run away, that's what we do. How are we gonna do that? We're inside the base. They can easily spot us. Huh? Barricade Starscream. Go look for my new John. I'll tell Shockwave. I think I'm ready. Ready for what? Ready for what? Oh no. Yes, open the space bridge. Come on, guys. We need to follow Starscream barricade. We can get out of here. Out of the space. Let's go. Move. Sorry. Perhaps it is time.